Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Snapchat and getting the camera ready. This is where portrait mode begins. Make sure the app is updated and camera permissions are granted so features load correctly. Once done, choose rear or front camera depending on your subject. You want stable hands or a tripod to avoid blur. Tap and hold the subject area to let Snapchat analyze depth. This quick step activates the portrait blur pipeline and prepares the scene for the focused portrait effect. You now select the portrait or depth lens from the lens carousel, swipe and preview live until you see background separation. Once selected, tap the screen to refocus and adjust the subject plane. This improves edge detection and why the blur looks natural. If needed, pinch to zoom, but make sure the depth map remains intact. Zooming too far can degrade background separation. Finally, toggle flash or HDR for even exposure, so the subject you're ready to capture. Tap for a photo or long press for a video while portrait blur is active and keep the subject steady. Once captured, open Edit to adjust blur strength, refine edge masks, or add filters and text to complement the subject. This is where you control the final look. When satisfied, save to camera roll or share directly. If depth looks wrong, a quick troubleshooting tip: retry in better light, increase subject distance from background, or restart the app to reset the depth sensor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.